Let it turn.
I'm not about to make this. It's too much longer. Ever.
This is going to be a big wheel. Making this for our memories. We sure are making a big mess, but it's getting there. Getting it up. He's got the food dish together while we eat strawberries and whipped cream. Alright, living room's a mess from doing this, but there's the cat dishes. We've got the wheel on. We're still working on it though. There's the pad for them to go up. We got a hell of a mess to clean up after this. Okay, we're at the end of this now. Look at the toy. There's the wheel, and this is where they can jump up. It's got a bed underneath. You can't see it really where his hand is. And then it's got the bowls. It came with bowls, but I don't have them in there yet. Thank you, Ryan. You did an awesome job. No mistakes. Alright, here's the finished wheel. It's a cat wheel. We've got a mess we've got to still clean up, but we're tired now. It took a long time. And go in there, jump up on there. At the top is a little cat toy. There it is. See if I can do this without messing up the... See, it goes around. Sam got up on the top so far, but they're not liking the wheel. I have to get a laser pointer to teach them to use it, and it locks if you don't want it to move. Got it off Temu, and it came in a couple of days. I guess it came from Canada. Good price too. It's a 4-in-1 cat wheel.